How to record Zoom meeting with audio. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. All you want to do is firstly open up the Zoom workplace. Now what we want to do is click your profile icon in the top right corner and then go ahead and find settings. Once you're here, what you're going to do is go ahead and select recording like so. And then what you want to do is check the box for record video during screen. And you're going to see a lot of different options right here. You can choose exactly where it's going to be and everything like that. You can record video during screen sharing. You want to make sure that that is enabled. Now what you want to go ahead and do once you have done that is go back, and I can go ahead and also choose audio, anything like that if I want to. I can also go to advanced and it says record separate participant audio files if you want to, but we don't need to go ahead and do that because we're just going to have it recorded with audio anyway. Now what you're going to do is let me just start a new meeting. And then once I go ahead and do that, I got to go ahead. I'm just going to start this one right now. And once it's started, all I got to do is go ahead and press the share button right here. I can share whatever screen I want. So let's just say I want to go ahead and share this screen, and I can share sound. Once you go ahead and do that, all you got to do is press share and then you'll be good to go.